Hey loves, long time no speak. I know it's been over a month, but let me tell you, this past month has been a rather hectic one. First of all, I moved. I think I'm finally settled into my new place. As you can see, I got a new background and all of that. Also, after I posted my one and only video for the month of March, my ring light broke. So while moving, I also had to order a new ring light and wait for that to come in, but I feel like I'm finally ready to get back into the filming groove. Speaking of filming, I'm going to try to get into a schedule of giving y'all at least 3 videos a week, because even though I was moving, I've been buying makeup. So I have video ideas galore. But yeah, I want to keep this intro short and sweet. I just want to let y'all know what I've been up to. As you can tell from the title, today's video will be a haul in action. I created this really pretty look right here. Got some nice curls in my hair, really pretty. So yeah, if you're interested in how I created this look, then just keep watching. The first item in today's haul is the Rimmel London Magnify Eyes Spice Edition eyeshadow palette that I purchased from Walmart for $7.73. It has 12 beautiful warm tone shades, evenly split between 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. The first shade I'm applying is the beautiful deep purple, and this color is going directly in and slightly above the crease of my eye, and I'm applying it using the E.L.F. eye crease brush. Now I'm taking my Start mini blending brush and applying the deep orange shadow right above the purple. When I was applying the orange shadow, I lost some of the purple, so now I'm just reapplying it using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. Going back to my E.L.F. eye crease brush, I'm now bringing that purple shadow down to the outer half of my lid. I'm reapplying concealer to the inner half of my lid, so the next eyeshadow that I apply will have a sticky base to adhere to. I am applying this beautiful red metallic shade over that concealer using my Remy Rose flat eyeshadow brush. I am using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone with the light tan shadow. I created my winged eyeliner using the Nicka Microfine Felt Tip Artliner. The next item is from E.L.F.'s Studio line. I picked up their Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Shimmering Gold for $4 at Walmart. At first, I didn't know what I was going to do with the liner. I thought maybe I should trace my black eyeliner with it. And I was like, no, I'm going to put it on the lid. So as you can see right now, I am placing it where the purple and red eyeshadows meet. And I think that it came out really pretty. The first layer was not opaque enough in my opinion, so I went over it a second time and it dried down really nicely without getting crusty. I purchased the Smoke and Mirrors Extreme Long Lash Mascara from the 99-cent store for $1. It has a plush tapered wand and it promises stunning length with clean definition as well as a clump-free formula. The formula of this mascara has a nice thick consistency. I think it's perfect. I didn't experience any clumps, and I think the applicator did a great job of not only separating my lashes but lengthening them as well. The lashes that I am wearing are the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M364. I'm applying that orange shadow that I placed above the purple earlier down to my lower lash line using my AOA Studio E115. The second Smoke and Mirrors mascara I purchased was their full-on dramatic mascara. Again, only $1 at the 99-cent store. I purchased this mascara with the sole purpose of applying it to my lower lashes. As you can see, it has a nice slender wand with a bunch of tiny little plastic spikes. And these are the type of wands that I prefer. On the packaging, it promises volume, length, and definition, as well as high intensity color. Unlike the first mascara, this one has a very watery formula, very liquidy. It made a mess of the shadow on my lower lash line. I had to go back in with a second coat to get my lashes to look the way that I wanted them to. However, the wand did separate and lengthen my lashes. I wanted to do something extra to my lower lash line, so I'm taking that E.L.F. Shimmering Gold Glitter Liner and I'm going right underneath my lashes with it. Now, I was trying my best not to get it on my lashes, but I ended up doing that anyway, so I had to go back in and clean it up, but it did add a nice touch to the eye look. I'm lining my waterline with the Nicka 24-Hour Waterproof Eyeliner. To complete the eye makeup, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the AOA Studio Velour eyeshadow in the shade Holiday using my E.L.F. Small Smudge brush. Here's the completed eye makeup. You loves know that warm tones are my favorite, and I'm absolutely in love with the color scheme of this eyeshadow. The deep orange, purple, the gold glitter, the metallic red. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm really glad that I added the gold glitter liner underneath my lashes. I think that it really did something to this eye look. I'm going to go ahead and give you loves my final thoughts on the Rimmel London Magnify Eyes Spice Edition eyeshadow palette. I 100% recommend it. It has amazing pigmentation. All of the shadows have a smooth, buttery texture. And I know this isn't really a big deal, but I didn't have to wet that metallic red eyeshadow before I applied it. But in my opinion, it looks like I did because it's that intense. The pigment is that intense. And I also want to note that my eyeliner looks really good today. Time to finish up the rest of my face. The blush I'm applying is actually an eyeshadow. It is the LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden. It is a really pretty brick red, and I thought it complemented the eyeshadow very well. And I am applying it with my Real Techniques mini medium blush brush. I purchased both of the Smoke and Mirrors highlighter sticks. The first shade, Bella Rose, is a really pretty lavender purple. I think this would look nice on the eyes as a cream eyeshadow. The second shade, Royal, is a champagne-y peach toned highlight, and that's the shade that I'll be using today. I honestly think this highlighter looks best on top of other cream products, not on top of powder. I applied it and tried to blend it out with my finger as the package stated, but that just left fingerprints and it looked bad. So I reapplied it and now I'm blending it out with this tiny AOA Studio fan brush to just blend out the edges of it. And that made it look a little bit better, but I would not recommend applying this on top of powder makeup. The last item in today's haul is another product by the Smoke and Mirrors brand, and I've noticed that most of the products in today's haul in action video are by the brand Smoke and Mirrors. I love their quality and their $1 price point. This is their Ultra Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Crush, and it promises a non-smudge formula with a velvet texture and a smooth color. On the back of the packaging, it says, dress your lips in decadent color with our Ultra Matte Lip Gloss, a luxurious lip gloss that glides right on and never feels dry. Formula is durable, lightweight, and delightfully creamy, and I can say all of that is true. This lip gloss has an amazing formula. As you can see, it is very opaque. I ended up applying 2 layers and it did not feel dry or tight on my lips at all. Very comfortable. Here is the final look. Overall, I like all of the products that I tried out today, but my 2 favorites would definitely have to be the Rimmel London Magnify Eyes Spice Edition Eyeshadow Palette and the Smoke and Mirrors Extreme Long Lash Mascara. I even like the highlighter stick. I just think it would be best used as 1, a base for a powder highlight, or 2, underneath foundation for like a glowing from within look. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and tell me what you thought down below in a comment. And until next time, bye loves!